guys? This is boy Matthew and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm bringing you a hybrid style video. The first half is going to be a vlog, then we're going to take it back to the studio here to review the actual item in question. That being said, guys, a little bit of context here. I believe it was Thursday I went to my local Nike outlet and they had a cool pair of sneakers there with a couple discrepancies that you really normally wouldn't see. And then I went back on the following Friday, and that's going to be the vlog you're going to see if they were still there. So without further ado, let's take it back to Matthew of the past and check out the vlog. Let's go. On feet, off-white, zoom fly, Mercurials, heading into Sawgrass. Going to do a quick little mall vlog. I came yesterday, I got a cool pair of shoes that I'm about to show you, but I want to see if they're still here, / see what else we can find. On top, custom champion reverse weave hoodie. We got the Robert Geller Lululemon shorts. I gotta go to Lululemon as well. So let's get it, boys. I'm not the only one. Oh, they're gone. I'm not the only one looking for them. Them shit's gone now, son. Everybody looking for them. Them shit's gone. Retail $275. Back here. Goddamn. Crimson ones are gone, but I found a pair of Alpha Flies. They're too big. I'm gonna still try them on though. Size 11.5. These are a bit too big. I'll probably have to go to an 11, potentially even true to size on a 10.5. But hold on, bro. These shits are so comfortable. I definitely do a marathon in these. Like, y'all know I run. Obviously no marathon, but like I could definitely run in these shits, bro. Like, I'm sold on these. If they were smaller, I'd buy them. 11.5 is like, I could wear them. They're not too bad, but they need smaller size. Club fleeces, 20% off of 40, so about 32 bucks. Definitely gonna grab the yellow one because you know I love yellow, so I'm gonna grab. They got every color pretty much, but I'm gonna grab the yellow one. Chinese New Year clot shorts, right? $70 with an additional 60. I am buying a pair. This is mad long though. This is a medium. Goes past my knee, so I'm gonna have to pass. Unfortunately, would have been 28 bucks, but them shit is way too long, bro. When I tell you everybody in that bit was looking for the crimson ones, so glad I got my pair yesterday. Out here in Lululemon, still debating buying this jacket. Might grab these shorts though. They got pretty good deals today. Now we head to St. Laurent in YSL. Got a couple of things. I used to buy a lot of stuff here when they actually had stuff in my size, but now they're kind of lacking on my sizes, but they have a couple awesome boots here today and footwear. I'm gonna check the pants. I bought a shirt here last time. I still gotta review it. But let's check it out. Oh, they have the striped denim. Tier size 27, 130. Tier size 29, 100 bucks for some YSL denim. This tee right here that I really like is 120, size XXL, St. Laurent size for me. But I really want these. These are like 300, which is not bad. But I definitely want a pair. I still have some 300. I have some denim that I still didn't wear yet. I kind of like these. These are 160. They're a little bit too big, but these are kind of clean, bro. Nice, super chill. So nice. 100 or 200, 130. Those are cool. Those are like 199. Pretty decent stuff here. Good prices. This one I copped, but in a size XXL. Same exact tee. Burberry, 240. I got some of the Ricardo TC stuff, which is what I want to look for. These are hard. These are hard. And they have the script hoodies here. Yeah, $390. White balance fucked me over again. Whatever, bro. All right, so we're back in the studio. My boy Josh just dropped off another Nike sack for me. Josh in the cut. He gonna take care of that next time lapse. Y'all gonna see him on the channel. The boy got the pack. Yes sir, yes sir. And I came back and now the sun came out, so the white balance is all kind of messed up. So if I kind of look orange, I apologize. We'll see what we can do in color correction. But let's get into the shoes first. So the sneaker in question is the Air Jordan 1 High OG in the Crimson Tint colorway. A little bit of background on this shoe. It came out a little over a year ago for a retail price of $160, and it actually sat on shelves. It was online for about $100. It went to the Orlando outlet for about $70. I never got a chance to pick it up. Anyways, getting into the shoe here, shout out to all the Nike employees at the outlet. You guys were super dope. Appreciate you guys. But the box, as you can see, is the brown and red Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott box. So that's the first tell that this is an odd shoe here. On the box itself, it has the factory second sticker on both sides. So these sneakers are actually a B grade. For those of you who don't know what a B grade are, they are Nike sneakers, or for that case, any brand sneakers that have some imperfections or some deformities or defects on the shoe. So that's why most of them go to outlets and are sold for a lot cheaper. So outlet retail on these were $140. They told me they weren't doing 20% off, but after I was talking to the employees, they hooked it up. When I got to the register, I got the extra 20, and I also had a $25 gift card that Nike sent out to me a while ago. So I actually ended up getting these for about $94 and some change. So very cheap, right under $100 here. In terms of the imperfections, from what I can see, on the right shoe in the toe box rand area, the leather looks a bit warped and stretched in ways like it's been worn. On the collar, there are some indentations that are a bit off. And if you look at the right and left shoe put together, in my opinion, I could be crazy, but the toe boxes look a bit different in terms of ventilation spacing. On the inside, insoles are perfectly fine. The tags on the right shoe has a B written in pen. The left side is scribbled out. Other than that, it's a regular Air Jordan 1 High OG. I didn't know the Crimson Tint was this pale. It looks more like a tan to me, which I'm not mad about. I do love the neutral color here, especially in that OG color blocking style. Looking very cool. I'll throw it on with a fit here. Nothing too crazy, just how I'd wear it in a day-to-day activity. That is the Jordan 1 High OG Crimson. And let's get into the bag that just got dropped off, because there was some cool Nike items as well. If you guys have been with the channel for a while, you know that your boy likes to run. And that being said, I got some undercover collaborations here, also known as the Gyakusou collaboration. I have the quarter zip long sleeve as well as the Helix tights. The long sleeve ended up being about $8 in the yellow colorway. Super awesome. I'm just gonna do a quick on body, and I'll get into a detailed review later in the future. Super cool, love it. And we also have the Helix tights here. When I run, I do run tights under shorts. I've never been the type to wear tights straight up, but with these, I just might try it out. I don't know. The tights were actually about $12, so shout out the boy Josh for hooking it up. That being said, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like down below, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on that bell notification icon so you know when I drop another video. Till the next time I see you guys face to face, it's been your boy Matthew. Take it easy, stay safe, peace.